8th class, chapter 2, friction. 8th class, chapter 2, friction. Robert Hooke, scientist is the Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was an English physicist who discovered the law of electricity. His law laid the basis for studies of stress and strain. His law is called Hooke's law. He is the inventor of the quadrant, Gregorian telescope and microscope. He discovered the planet Jupiter and stated that it rotates on its own axis. He proved that the force of gravity could be measured by utilizing the motion of a simple pendulum. He wrote Micrographia, a famous book, and he was the student of the famous scientist Robert Boyle since 1635 to 1703. Keywords, explanation and meanings. First one is the friction. Friction, the abstracting force. Second one is the force. A push or pull force is the push or pull. Third one is the static friction. Static friction, the friction which acts on the bodies at rest. Fourth one is the sliding friction. A slopy surface exerts a force on the rolling body. Fifth one is the lubricants. Fifth one is the lubricants like oil, grease, etc. Sixth one is the ball bearings. Ball bearings, the adjustment in mechanics which process rolling friction to reduce friction between the rotating shafts of machine tools. Seventh one is the drag, the frictional force exerted by fluids. Eighth one is the fluid, liquids and gases. Fluids is the liquids and gases. Ninth one is the fluid friction. Friction exerted by fluids on objects in motion through them. Mind mapping. Friction, abstraction of a force. Force is the four types. Force is the four types. First one is the sliding friction. Second one is the static friction. Third one is the fluid friction. Fourth one is the rolling friction. Sliding friction. Surface of one object is at rest and other is on motion. Second one is static friction. The object is at rest on a surface. Third one is fluid friction. Object is in motion through liquid or air. Fourth one is the rolling friction. One body rolls over the surface of another body. Friction. Friction, irregularities of surfaces gas independent of area of contact, directly proportional to the normal force. Evil effects of friction. Evil effects of friction. Overheating and wearing out of moving particles. First one is the overheating and varying out of moving particles. Temperature of the surfaces increases. Second one is the temperature of the surfaces increases. Third one is the applied efforts is wasted. The applied effort is wasted. Reducing friction. Reducing friction. First one, applying lubricants. Second one, applying soap solutions to the rough surfaces. Applying soap surfaces to the rough surfaces. Third one is applying powder on the surface. Applying powder on the surface. The fourth one is by streamlining the bodies. Fifth one is applying the lubricants. Applying the lubricants. Fluids equal to liquids to gases. Liquids and gases. Types of friction. Types of friction. 4 types of friction. Friction అనేది 4 రకాలుగా ఉంటుంది. 4 types of friction. Friction is the force. Friction is the force that opposes motion between any surfaces that are in contact. Any surfaces that are in contact. There are 4 types of friction. There are 4 types of friction. Number 1, static friction. Number 2, sliding friction. Number 3, rolling friction. And number 4, fluid friction. First one is the static, sliding and cooling friction and rolling friction occur between solid surfaces. Fluid friction occurs in liquids and gases. All 4 types of friction are described below. What is friction? Friction is a force. Friction is a force between 2 surfaces that are sliding or trying to slide across each other. For example, when you try to push a book along the floor, friction makes this difficult. Friction make this difficult. Friction always works in the direction. Opposite to the direction in which the object is moving or trying to make a friction always slows a moving object down. The amount of friction depends on the materials. From which the 2 surfaces are made. The rougher the surfaces, the more friction is produced. the more friction is produced. Friction also produces heat. Friction also produces heat. If you rub your hand together quickly, if you rub your hand together quickly, you will feel them get warm. You will feel them get warm. Friction will be used for force be cause it. Prevents our shoes slipping on the pavement when we walk and stops car tires skidding on the road. Skidding on the road. When you walk, friction is caused between the thread on shoes and the ground. Thread on shoes and the ground. This friction works to grip the ground and prevent sliding. Sometimes we want to reduce friction. Sometimes we want to reduce friction. For example, we use oil to reduce the friction. We use oil to reduce the friction between the moving parts inside a car engine. The oil holds the surfaces apart and can flow between them. The oil holds the surfaces apart and can flow between them. The reduced friction means there is less wear on the cars. Moving parts and less heat produced. Moving parts and less heat produced. Ice cubes very little friction. Ice causes very little friction, which is why it is easy to sleep. Which is why it is easy to sleep. Or on an icy day. Over on an icy day. However, this is a good thing for ice skating and sliding. This is a good thing for ice skating and sliding. SI units. Force is the SI units. Force SI units. What is the SI units of friction? What is the SI unit of friction? Like all forces, the unit for friction is the Newton. The unit for friction is the Newton, which is equal to 1 kg per meter per second square. 1 kg per meter per second square. Formula: friction force. F equal to mu n. First one is the F equal to frictional force. F అనేది friction force. Small f అనేది frictional force. Mu equal to coefficient of friction. Mu equal to coefficient of friction. N equal to normal force. N equal to normal force. Practice problems. First First one is the on which of the following factor does the friction depend? First question, on which of the following factor does the friction depends? four types ఆప్షన్స్ 4 టైప్స్ వస్తాయి. ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్లో మనం పై క్వశ్చన్కి సంబంధించినవి ఏదైతే కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సరో దాన్ని టిక్ చేయాలి. ఏ స్మూత్నెస్ ఆఫ్ సర్ఫేస్, స్మూత్నెస్ ఆఫ్ సర్ఫేస్. బి ఇంక్లినేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్ఫేస్, inclination of surface. C roughness of surface, roughness of surface. D all of those, all of those.